All right, so today we're going to be making some sentiments. So let's start over here by picking text. And we will pick happy birthday. Birthday. All right, so let me move it over here in the middle of the screen. So we're going to come up here to offset. Give it a minute to do its thing. So now you can see the blue line gives me an offset that is 0.125 inches off, which I like that. So we're going to hit apply. Once you hit apply, it makes it black. So I'm going to take this black and I'm going to make it white, which is going to make it disappear, but it'll be fine. Because what we're going to do now is we're going to take this, because we only want to cut the outside black line. We don't want to cut out the individual letters. So we're going to flatten that. And you can see there, then the black line disappears, but it's still there. So now I'm going to keep this highlighted, go back up here to offset again, and we will make another offset. Give it time. We will hit apply. And now you can see where the white is. So now we have the happy birthday flattened on a white background, which will print out on your computer, and then you can cut it out on your machine. And then the black will cut out separately, and you can layer them on top of each other. And I'm going to leave it as black, but you know, you can put whatever color paper you want on your machine you want. Oops, that is not what the button I wanted to hit. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, so we have this, and we have this. So let's line these up because we need to shrink this. Go up here to arrange, or align in the center. So we're all lined up now. So now I want to shrink this down quite a bit. So right now it's 9 inches. We don't need it to be 9 inches. You need it probably to be about 3 inches. So there we go. So now let's separate it out. So we have our happy birthday with our white edge around it. And we have this. Before we go over to make it, I need to make this white. And that is just so it will put it all on one page and it won't print that out as black. So let's go over to make it. All right, so now I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to send to the printer. Give it a minute. Hit print. All right, let me grab my print out of the printer and turn my machine on. So okay, so my printer has printed it out. I've loaded it into the machine. It's on its mat. It's all ready to go. I am going to click medium cardstock. And I'm going to press the go button. All right, there it goes. All right, so everything is all printed. So let's go back to the canvas. Okay, I did that. It's all done. So we have our mat. Here is the background we did in white. And we pull out the letters. We have our happy. And we have our birthday. And now this, you absolutely could do it in a different color or just color it once you print it out. And then you just glue them on top of each other. Let me just color that real quick. All right, so I just very quickly put some ink on it, so now it's a different color. So now, our happy will go on here, and our birthday will go on here. And there you go. Let me just throw some glue on there real quick. Slide that up in the middle there. And once you put it all together, you have this. Happy birthday. So it's that simple. So get those machines out. I want to see those machines get used. And until next time, stay crafty.